Thanks for calling in this morning. You're live with Nick Chavez. I'm Sharon. Who's this?
Hi, my name is Della.
Hi, Della.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you?
Great. Do you
Great.
just love this hairspray?
Oh, I love it.
Tell everybody, why is this hairspray one of the best #1 selling products here at QVC?
It holds perfectly, even if it's windy.
Yes.
I love what you just said. Flip your head back. Look at Carol's hair just the way. What kind of hair do you have, my dear?
I have dark hair, dark short hair.
You have dark short hair.
Very thin.
And it's very thin. And you know what? With thin hair, you need something that's going to lock it in, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Right, and that it doesn't get sticky.
Right.
That is one of the greatest things that you just said, that it doesn't get sticky. And you know something that's really important, because I'll tell you something. We're styling all these hairstyles. One thing I can't stand is sticky hair, and I'll tell you another thing. We men don't like to put our hands in women's head when it's all sticky.
That's right.
Right?
Right.
Thank you, Della.
Thank
Have
you
a good
for
one.
calling.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Say hi to my daughter.
What's your daughter's name?